Bundles dripping down my back. Yeah, they know my ass is fat, so it be laying on my crack. Yeah, they know it cost some stacks. You get your hair off the rack. Mine get shipped like it's from Zach. 40, 50 inches max. Can't tell a bitch how to act. Swing my hair like I don't care. Yeah, shit shedding everywhere. Put your hands up in the air. If you got Brazilian hair, throw that shit.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back. This is the first actual hair video that I'm doing, and in this video, this is the look that I'm going to be showing you how I did this look. I guess that makes sense. Gonna have to do a lot of voiceovers in this video. This video was actually 2 hours long, and I shortened it to 15 minutes. So if you want to see how I did this look, just continue to watch, and at the end of the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. Yeah, so right here I was doing the braid down. I don't know why it's out of the frame, but yeah, I'm doing the braid down. I guess I gotta get better with these YouTube videos, so I'm sorry, please bear with me. Okay, so I finished the braid down. Now I'm putting on a stocking cap to do the ball cap method. You want to apply the stocking cap, then you want to secure it and make sure it's pulled down to the right position. Then you want to spray the hairline with some Got to Be Good freeze spray. This clip is out of frame as well. I do apologize, and if you hear my little boy in the background, just don't pay him no attention. He be excited, and he watching YouTube too. Okay, so in this clip, I've already customized the lace. I've already toned the stocking cap to match her skin tone, and now I'm applying my Hold Me Down lace glue. I'm going to do about 3 layers, I think, and then we're going to lay that frontal down. Okay, so the lace glue is clear, so it's time to lay that frontal down. So I've laid the frontal down. I'm having her to hold it securely, and I'm blow drying it. And she holds it securely. Okay, so right here, I'm cutting the excess lace. You want to get as close to the hairline as possible. So right here, I'm just preparing to do my baby hairs. After I've laid the actual lace down, it's completely dry. I'm gonna get ready to do my baby hair. So I've done the baby hair, I've laid the frontal, I've started tracking my wefts in, and I'm almost done with this look. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm all done tracking. All done. 3 whole bundles and a frontal. Alright, I'm all done. So right here is the finishing results. I have to apply some water and conditioner and a few other products to the hair to give it that wet look. If you're interested in knowing the products, just comment and I'll tell you. But yeah, there's me adding the water. This is so beautiful. Alright, so here's the finishing results. A frontal install by me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
I'm a freak, action nigga about me. Catching rap in these streets, screaming motherfuck the feet. What's my tab? Fuck that tab.